What did you hear?
Turn on top of the roof.
You heard him up there?
Yeah. No. Turn the light off real quick.
If I turn the light off, I can't video you. And Mom is videoing you. Oh, I can't see you now. Tell me the story again. What?
Turn on top of the roof. I can't hear him on top of the roof.
You could hear him?
No, not yet.
Okay, you gonna go night-night and wait for him?
Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
When is he coming?
5 minutes.
In 5 minutes?
Yeah.
And go lay down in your bed. And why is Santa Claus coming?
Because.
'Cause why?
No. Because Santa will wash presents.
Why?
And he's gonna put presents in our stocking.
He is. Why is he coming?
Oh, no.
Tell me, why is he coming?
Because he wants Jesus.
Because he loves Jesus. That's right. He loves Jesus so much he can give you gifts, right?
Yeah.